Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing wonderfully well, and if you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Reka. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, in today's video I will share with you how I made this perfect yummy vegetable sauce. This sauce was so amazing and it can be paired with rice, plantain, yam, potatoes. If you like to see the process of how I made this, then please keep watching. So here are the peppers I will need in this recipe. I have 3 fresh tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, 2 sweet peppers, 4 Scotch bonnet peppers, and 2 onions. And I will have to wash, cut, and blend them. And full list of ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now we add red oil, also known as palm oil, into the pot, then follow with chopped onions. And I will have to stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add in the roughly blended mixed peppers. And after that, leave to simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. At this point, I will go ahead and cut the spinach. Also, you can use any vegetables of your choice. It's totally optional. And to my old and new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it. So now you can see the sauce has boiled down a bit. I did that because we'll be using spinach, so the spinach will also bring us its own juice, so I don't want it to be too watery. And I'll be adding the roughly blended crayfish, follow with deboned dried mackerel fish, then give it a good stir. And then add in seasoning cube and salt. Then stir to combine and leave it to fry for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I will go ahead and add in the washed spinach. Stir and leave it on low heat for 3 minutes. Vegetable sauce will be ready. Now vegetable sauce is ready, guys. So tell me, what will you like to eat with this? Is it boiled yam, boiled plantain, boiled potato, or white rice? As for me, I'm using white rice. And this vegetable sauce tastes so good. It was so mouth-watering. And if you give it a try, just let me know in the comments. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Put on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a video. And do not forget to like and leave a comment. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.